I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God will.
In today's video, guys, I am going to teach you guys how to become profitable trading a boom 500 index, guys. All right, so this particular information I'm going to share with you guys here is I supposed to be sharing this information with my premium students, but I take every one of you guys out there as my premium student. That is the reason I keep sharing valuable content like this that will enable you make money trading boom 500 index, guys, because I realize that most of you are finding it very difficult to trade boom and crash, and that is the reason I keep sharing valuable content that will help you position yourself very well and know where to take a position, know where to open a position, sorry, and then know where to close the position that you take and any of these pairs. So that is how it is. And for today's video, as I said earlier on, I'm going to show you or teach you guys how you can become profitable trading boom and crash and any of the pairs. All right, but specifically today we are looking at boom 500 index, guys. All right, so with that being said, guys, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, or if this is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself to you. My name is Olites from Global FS, and what I do here is whenever I come across any strategy, any tips and tricks that will help you trade any of these pair profitably and successfully, I make sure I record the video around it and share with you guys, my audience, my subscribers, so that you too will benefit from such strategies. So with that being said, guys, let's dive full into the video. Let me walk you through on what you really need to be doing from this moment onward to enable you make a lot of money trading boom 500 index precisely. All right, so now when you look at my chart here, guys, this is boom 500 index, and this is 1 hour time frame. You can see that right here, guys. All right, so now as you are looking at this boom 500 index here, guys, you can see this particular indicators that I have set up here on my indicator window one, guys. I am going to share the settings of these particular indicators with you guys so that you will be able to really use these indicators, because our our learnings or our teachings from today or our teachings on today's topic rely heavily on this particular indicator window one here. All right, because I use this particular indicators, but I want to clarify many things, because most of you are out there and all you just know is the fact that you believe since by default boom sells and by default crash buys, you will just jump into the chart and they open. You probably, as we are looking at this boom 500 index, due to by default is selling, you will just jump into your chart and open a position for sell without considering where you are opening that position on. All right, it's very wrong of you, and there is no way you are going to make money by trading that way. You are likely playing a gamble with your hard-earned money, guys. All right, that was the reason I keep on saying that if you do not know how to do all these things, trading of all these pairs is not by force, guys. All right, you just have to learn from someone that has passed through that same lane that you are right now. All right, so you just have to follow the instruction of that particular person. All right, so that is the reason I keep saying that it is not mandatory that I will be the one to mentor you. You can find yourself a mentor out there. We have many professionals out there that can mentor you on how to trade these pairs profitably and successfully. But what I keep on saying is the fact that I want you to understand the movement of these pairs, so that whenever you fund your account and you are ready to start trading, you will not be playing gamble with your hard-earned money. You just have to come to the market and make at least how much you need, and you are out of the market, and that is how it's supposed to be. All right, not you coming to this place to donate your hard-earned money to the market. All right, now most of the newbies on this industry, most of the newbies in this industry keeps on trading boom and crash, and they love trading boom and crash for the fact that once you open boom and crash, it will automatically run into profit, or it will instantly start running into profit, not when you do not know what you are doing. If you actually know what you are doing, you'll be able to enjoy that, that mindset of you trading boom and crash. So now when you look at this particular place, this is boom 500 index, as I said earlier on. All right, so now when you look at this chart here, without being told, guys, you will see that this boom of 500 index is currently on a downtrend. You can see this here. You can see the direction or the market structure right now. All right, you can see the market structure right now. This is a confirmed downtrend. All right, so that is to say, currently boom 500 index is respecting the default movement of boom. I hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. Now when you look at this direction here, you will see from this particular direction here and from this zone here, this particular boom 500 was spiking a lot at this zone here. Now why was this particular zone, why was it buying on this particular zone? Many people do not care to know why. Do you know reason? Because they believe that by default boom sells, so they can just come in within this zone and they don't know anything about this place. They will now open a position for sale, and it will keep blowing your account because you don't really know what you're doing, and you think that doing all these things is by force. You cannot force yourself to do what you don't know how to, and there is no way you are going to make money doing what you don't really know how to do best. If you want to be making money on all this, you just need to calm down and learn the procedures, learn how those things works before you can expect any outcome or any profit from such thing. If you like invest $1 million, you are going to blow it away because you don't really know how it works. So it's as simple as that. So the only thing that you're going to do, even as you're seeing this particular zone here, that this particular boom 500 is now respecting the default movement of this, you are still not just going to jump into the trade this way. Okay, let me just clear this here, all right, so that I will make it look more lovely, so you understand what I'm saying. When you draw this trend line here, all right, this is it here. When you draw this trend line, because you just have to draw your trend line starting from where you are suspecting the market to go. Now look at it here. Because you are seeing it this way does not mean you will just jump into the trade, except you have these extra confluences that I'm going to share with you guys here with this indicator window 1. And what are we looking at here? All right, now when you look at this indicator window 1 here, let me just do it this way so you see spot something. When you look at this indicator window 1 here, all right, now this is what you just need to do. Whenever this orange color, all right, this orange line crosses, or whenever this white line, sorry, crosses this orange line, all right, whenever this white line crosses this orange line, then below, once the price action is below, once this line is below or crosses this particular orange line, you are going to sell. That is when you are going to take your position for sell. Do not forget that this is 1 hour time frame. So if this particular white line crosses this at this zone here, look at what I'm saying here. Let me say look at it here from this zone here. You can see this here. All right, so sorry, I cannot cross this particular place because this is a different window entirely. So now if I should mark this here, look at it here. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying here? Sorry, you see what I'm saying? So now this is where the white line crossed this orange line. Now look at the drop down. That is where this market started selling. Not because you spot that this white line has crossed this orange line, you open your position. I want you guys to see something here, all right? This is what they call divergence. RSI respect, or this market respect RSI a lot, but most of you do not pay close attention to that. Now when you look at this here, this is what they call divergence. Not just because you spot that this market has started selling, you jump into the market, or because you spot that this market has started selling and this white line has crossed this orange line, you open your position. Look at this divergence here, all right? Look at this here, perfect. You see this? Now this is to show you that this is higher high and this is higher low, and this higher low falls into or falls in or falls under this particular orange line, sorry. All right, you can see that this this higher low here falls under this orange line. That is to show you that this is higher high and this is higher low. And whenever you spot on any chart that market has started displaying higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, that is to say a higher low, higher high, higher low, that is to say the market has started showing uptrend. It's as simple as that. Now that you have seen these three confluences, guys, that is when you are going to jump into this boom 500 and you open your position for sale. Because how many confirmation here already? First one indicates that this white line has crossed this orange line, and the second one now is this look at the higher high, look at the higher low here. All right, look at the higher high, look at the higher low within the RSI and the divergence within the RSI here, and the divergence within the RSI. That is what gives us the third confluence that will make us take this trade as it is right now. So once you get these three confirmation and once you open your position, no matter the spike that is going to happen here, because already you have full confirmation that this is a downtrend, no matter the spike that is going to happen within this zone here, it is going to be a baby spike. It will not take you out of trade. So it will only take you out of trade when you fall into something like this. Probably something, look at the same thing that we explained right now. Look at this here. All right, let me pick this. Look at this here. You can see this. You can see this here. All right, sorry about that. Then look at the divergence here. Look at higher high, look at the higher low, fall below the orange line. Now, since this particular higher high, higher low, and the second low fall below this orange color on our indicator window one, guys, now if you open your position here, once you spot something like this, if you open your position, by now you would have been out of this trade. Look at it here. You will stay in that trade until, look at this, you are okay. This is 1 hour time frame. Each of the candlesticks that you are seeing here contains, or which of the candlesticks that you are seeing here is 1 hour. All right, so imagine you stay 2 hours. 2 hours is just 2 candles out of these many candles that you are seeing here. That is the way, or that is how you are going to trade boom 500 index, and you are going to make a lot of money. This is the secret that I supposed to be sharing with my premium students. But just as I said at the beginning of this video, I take every one of you that are watching my video, every one of you that are that are my viewers, I take every one of you as my premium student. That is the reason I'm sharing this powerful information with you guys here. All right, so now as you have seen something like this, this is where most of you are going to enter it. All right, that is where spike is going to take most of you out of the market. Look at this here. Look at this. You see this zone here? Most of you do not know when the trend is going to reverse. Now you can see, look at this here. If you look at this place, this particular divergence that you are looking at, after confirming this particular to a higher high, higher low, look at this here. You will see that it keeps dropping higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. All right, look at it. But from this place here, it changed. This particular edge here, look at this here. Look at this low. After this low, look at this particular one. It's supposed to be down here, but look at it at up. All right, this, you cannot say that this particular one is higher than this. Rather, this particular one now is higher than this one. That is to say, the trend has changed. Once you spot something like this, that is, trend has reversed, and that is exactly, or that was exactly what happened at this zone here. That is when you will be on the trade, and all of a sudden the trade will take you, or the profit that you have made so far, the one spike will take you out of that trade. Why? Because you don't know where to exit. So if you want me to mentor you on how you are going to be understanding all of this, do yourself that favor and use the number that I'm going to leave in the description of this video, and I am going to mentor you and put you through on how you are going to trade boom and crash profitably if you want to be a specialist on boom and crash. All right, so if you don't want me to mentor you, you can as well contact other professionals out there. I just want you guys to understand how this market works entirely, so that you'll be able to stop burning your own hard-earned money. All right, your purpose of coming into financial world or financial industry is for you to make a lot of money for yourself and your family, not giving back to the industry or giving back to the market. You just have to learn the ethics. You just have to learn how the whole thing works before you start making money from it. So now, once you spot something like this, guys, you can see this is one spike, and the spike crossed above this orange line. Look at it here. This is the spike here. All right, this is the spike here. But if you opened, or if you understand all these scenarios at the first place before you open your position, and you open your position, by now you would have been out of this trade. You wouldn't have been at this place right now. All right, so if you take, or if you get one signal or two like this every single day that you open your chart to trade, you will be good to go. It's as simple as that. You will be good to go. So there is nothing you are going to be afraid of the market for. All right, because already you have known how to go about this. And when you look at this current market right now, you will see that even without being told, look at it here. All right, look at the divergence there. You see what I'm saying? So this is higher high and this is higher low. The higher low closed below the orange color. That was the reason, or that is the reason you are seeing this movement. You see this movement. This particular movement is respecting the default movement of this particular pair, which is boom 500 index. All right, it's as simple as that. For you to get all these things, it's as simple as what I just explained to you guys here now. You can see that clearly right now. There is no hidden thing here. You can see that here. All right, you can see it here. This is the higher high and this is the higher low below this, and this is the current market price right now. So it's as simple as that. There is no big deal on following simple instructions. You follow simple instructions, you make money. Most of you keep thinking that if you are not doing live trade, I have made several times on this channel, I am not doing all these things to please you guys. I'm just trying to share a peaceful and a piece of information that will help you make a lot of money from this market. If you start making the money, you are not going to give me the money. Just follow the simple instruction. If you are afraid of taking all this instruction on your real account, first of all, try it on your dummy account. I normally say that. Try it on your dummy account first and see how the information or how the strategy works before you be able to go to your live account and start making money. I just want you guys to start making money, because I am not benefiting anything for sharing this with you guys. I'm supposed to be sharing it to my premium students, as I said earlier on, but I'm doing this because I want every one of you to be making money. So that is how it is. If you are getting value from this content, do not forget to smash that like button. It's very, very important, so that this video will be able to reach out to others that are searching for valuable content like this, that will help them trade, boom, and crash profitably and successfully. And also, if you want me to mentor you as well, you know what to do. Use the number in the description of this video. And also, if you do not want me to mentor you, contact any professionals out there that will teach you how all these pairs move, and you'll start making money from that. Stop wasting your money. All right, stop wasting your money and your time, because if you are doing what you don't really know how to do, you are wasting your money, you are wasting your time at the same time. So that is how it is, guys. So as I said earlier on, I'm going to share the settings with you guys, so that you will be able to set your screen this way. All right, so the first thing that you are going to do here is for you to, I'm going to open the settings here so that you will see the settings by yourself. But the first thing that you need to do is for you to come to these indicators here. Once you click on indicators, search for RSI, guys. Once you search for RSI, I'm going to open the settings right now. All right, so this is the settings, this is the input here. Leave it at like 14 SMA and 14. All right, so now this style, this is where you're going to change things. All right, so this particular first one that you're seeing, which is plot, change it to the color that you are going to be familiar with. Once you change it to this color, this suited MA, change it to any color that you are going to be familiar with. As you can see, this particular plot color that you are seeing, this is it here. All right, this is this particular white line that you are seeing, and this SMA that you are seeing, this orange color that you are seeing, look at it here. All right, look at it. So that is all that you need to set. Now this particular place here, all right, look at this here, these two places, all right, upper limit and the lower limit. You are going to set this. By default, you will say 70 and 30. So you are going to set this 50-50. Do you understand? You are going to set it 50-50, and after setting it 50-50, you are going to uncheck this. all right, and you click OK. That is it. Simple. That is it. Know how the market moves, know the price action, know the market structure, know the market pattern. Those three things are the killers of each pair that you are trading. So that is how it is, guys. And also, I'm going to leave the link to my books in the description of this video. Do yourself that favor and grab a copy of those books and go through it. And I believe on the process of you doing or running your mentorship program, you will be able to still go through the knowledge that I've imparted through that book to you. All right, so it's very, very important that you grab the copy of each of those books and go through it. So it's very, very affordable as well. So that's how it is, guys. Signing out. All it is. Peace.